Hello, welcome back to another quick tip series. In last video we learned about how to add basic text. If you haven't watched that video, check it out in I button on the top right corner of the video. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, today we are going to talk about how to add fancy text and title on your video. First, go to Effects Library and go to Titles, then grab that text plus and place it into timeline. Now I have this text plus over the video. We can go into Inspector window. It really does have almost same features as basic text, and it have more features like animating text, giving style to it. We will discuss about animating text in another video. Let's edit the text and change the font. Let's change the size. Let's go to layout. Here you can change everything like positions, size, perspective, etc. And let's put this text to at the bottom of the frame. And you can also change this frame in the z-axis. You can also change the size of the text like this. There is also three-dimensional rotations. You can also change the positions in three-dimensional form. And let's reset the value of the three-dimensional first because we want to keep it as simple as is possible. Here you can also change the color of the background, but we are not going to do that for this tutorial. Let's go to transform. In this transform you can animate the videos, but we will talk about it in later on another video. Let's go to setting tab, and here you can see that there are different type of layer, like there is 8 different layer you can tweak with the setting of the text. In the property of layer 1, here you can change opacity. Here you can also change the appearance of text, like fill, even like text outline. You can also change the letter and words into block. You can also change the blocking outline of the text. And you can also extend the horizon and extend particle, and we can also round the shape of the text. Let's reset the value. There's like couple different settings in the below, like softness, position, rotation, shear, and size. You can also play with those settings and see what you can make of it. And let's go to another layer, and here you can see there is like red outline. Let's enable the setting. And as you can see, you can also put the block behind it. Let's change into outline. There is like couple difference of line style, like dash, dot, or dash dot, etc. There is like couple difference of labels, and label is also used to create bounding box for the text, as here you can see. Let's decrease the value of extended horizon. Let's also increase the thickness of outline. Let's change the color of the outline. Let's make it green, greenish. Let's make it greenish yellow. Let's make it rounded rectangular outline. Let's also change the color of text. Let's make it something like bluish white. Yeah, that's beautiful. And you can also add drop shadow or like black shadow. Let's enable it. For this tutorial we are going to end here. Here you can see there is like 8 layers, and you can change the style of text with 8 different styles. Now I hope you guys can make interesting stylized text for a project. So this is a quick tip on adding stylized text in DaVinci Resolve 18. Subscribe to the channel for more such tips, and see you in the next video.